Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Arenga TV. Press the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Please.
Redeeming the image of Africa all over the world.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tosi. I am a cultural dance instructor. Today, I want to show you how we can make some African drums. But before that time, let's have a commercial break. See you soon.
Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Arenga TV. Press the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Please.
Redeeming the image of Africa all over the world.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, we have some drums which we want to repair. Some of these African drums have their own procedures and specific materials used for them. Some of these African drums are teun, djembe, molo, akongu. All of these drums have their own procedures in repairing them or in making them, and they have some specific materials used for them. Do you want to see them? Let's go. Okay, you're welcome back. Now I want to show you some of those materials used in making all of these indigenous drums. Okay, looking at this is the animal skin. Now there are different textures of animal skin. It depending on the kind of drum you want to make. So when you get the skin first, you have to soak it in the water for about an hour or 2 hours thereabouts. After that, you get some other materials ready, like get some wood to carve out the pegs. This is the peg for the drum. A drum may have 6 peg holes or 8 peg holes, depending on the kind of drum you want to make. Okay, after that you also get a thread like this, a rope like this for it. And this is Mr. Michael. As you can see, he has already placed the skin on the body, that is on the main drum. Then he uses the nail to hold it down. This nail to hold it down. Then he gets the rope, take it round, tie it, then use something like a needle. Look at, it's trying to cut it round to give it a good shape. That is what it's trying to do right now. Then after this skin can still be used for another kind of drum. Then you drop it back into the water. Let it soak. Okay. These are the procedures. Once the skin is placed on the drum, get the nail to hook it down, to pin it down. Can you see it? Can you see it? Then use the rope tight. Now he's trying to make it more firm. More firm. Yes. You can as well use needle, but he's very good at what he does. So he's not using needle. He's using something just to pass the rope into the skin. Watch him. Now, when you are doing this, the rope has measurement. It has, you just have to cut a very good measurement so that as you're doing it, it will be enough for you. Of course, you are going to need hammer, nails, pegs, knives, of cutting tools. Then these are the ones that he has done. After the drum, the skin is already placed, the ropes are placed. Now he gets the razor blade just to scrape off the air on the skin. Now this is not the final procedure because he still has to hit down the pegs one after the other, but that is going to be done after which that is going to be done by the time the skin has already dried. These are the ones he has done. You can see that the sound is already coming up. The sound will be more okay by the time the skin gets dry and the pegs are being hit down. Yes. So this is tail. This is tail. This is tail. This tail. This is also tail as well. This is another tail which is still going to work with. This is bembe. This is bembe. Now for this bembe, this face is okay. He is only trying to cover up this place. Now the procedure of these drums here and this, they are the same. The procedures here are the same material to use. But when doing akonwo, this is akonwo, you can see that this one has a different shape. The materials are different. He uses something like this. Like this. Other drums do not have this. Only this have this one. And the peg to this is quite bigger than that of others. Let me show you spec. Spec is as big as this. You can see. These are the pegs. These are the pegs for this. Just into these holes, into these holes, into these holes, like that. Like that. So let's wait and see how it does this.
Redeeming the image of Africa all over the world.
Now, as you can see, it's now using something like a needle to pass the thread into the skin. Now, as he's doing that as well, it's also joining the pegs together because it is the pegs that would fine-tune the drum, the skin. Okay, let's watch him. Why he's using the nail is because he wants the iron to penetrate into the skin. He's trying to make a hole. Yes. So these are the procedures. It is what everyone can do. It is very, very simple. Once you have all your equipment and all your materials ready, the procedures are very, very simple to follow. I have some questions to ask my friend, Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael, well done, sir. Now, This drum you're doing now, like, can children do it, or is it only meant for adults?
It depends on how the person
Takes the children.
do the children.
That means it is not hard if children will learn it.
It's not hard for those people that just put
Your eye on it.
Your eye has put your mind
On it.
because you can see the way I'm doing it, you can see my hand.
Okay.
So
Okay. Those are the challenges there.
you face.
Wow. Okay. So what Mr. Michael is actually saying is that anyone who is interested can actually learn this. And once you learn it, you know the procedures, you know the right equipment to use, you know the right materials to use. It's very easy. Although there are challenges there in terms of your hand, your palm may be peeling. But as time goes on, you get used to it. That's just what he's trying to say. Now, once it's done, he is not going to hit the peg until the skin dries. That is when he will now hit the pegs. Pegs will go down because the drum already has hole. You can see it here. This is where the peg stays. Okay.
Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Arenga TV. Press the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Please.